In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Danske Bank credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you've logged in securely with your credentials, you'll land on the app's main dashboard. From there, tap on the Cards tab. You'll see a list of your existing cards, and if your new credit card has been issued, it should appear here with an Activate button next to it. Tap on that. The app will now prompt you to confirm a few details, usually the last 4 digits of the card and possibly your date of birth, just to make sure it's really you. Once that's done, you'll be asked to authorize the activation. This step typically involves using your fingerprint, Face ID, or a personal security code, depending on how your app is set up. Once you complete the authorization, the app will confirm that your card is now active. Well, that's how you activate your Danske Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.